I'm not even a Muslim yet, but I just did my first salah from all of your help, and I literally started crying at the end when I started to make dua. Like, I've never felt this, like, just much like emotion in my heart and peace, and like, it's just overwhelming. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who sent me support and such kind words about my journey of learning about Islam. And I want to also thank you guys for being patient with me, because I'm just starting to learn,